Number 24, we want to convert one rate to another, and we're going to do that using the technique called dimensional or unit analysis. It's very similar to simple conversions, but often we have to use two rates in order to convert both of the units involved in our original rate. So a car has a slow leak in its fuel line. The car is losing 1.5 fluid ounces per minute. How many gallons of gas per hour will the car lose due to the leak? So we need to convert ounces per minute to gallons per hour. So you first start by writing, if you remember the steps from the notes, you're going to write your original rate. So we have, don't need the fluid part, ounces per 1 minute. Now we're going to have two conversion factors, one that will convert ounces to gallons. So we're going to need gallons to show up and ounces to divide out. And then we just look up here. I've provided these conversion factors for you. So for each 1 gallon, we have 128 ounces. Then we're also going to need to multiply this by a rate that's going to convert minutes to hours. So we want hours to show up here and our minutes to divide out. And then just placing our numbers, there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now to multiply fractions, we multiply numerators together and then denominators together. So 1.5 times 60 will give us 90. And then in our denominator, 1 times 128 times 1 is just 128. Now let's look at our units, and let's start with the upper left. So our ounces here will divide out with our ounces in that denominator. Now let's look at our minutes. So our minutes in this denominator will divide out with our minutes in this numerator. And then we are left with gallons per hour. That is why this method is called dimensional, because our dimensions are our units, our units analysis, because we include the units as we work the problem to make sure that we get our answer in the right form. Now the very last thing we're going to do is we're going to divide out so that we have gallons per 1 hour. So on your calculator, take 90 and divide it by 128. And I'm going to put a little approximately equal to 0.7 gallons per hour. So that leak is not quite losing a gallon per hour, but it's close. So it should be fixed.